Hi, this is Victor and welcome to my math tutoring channel. In this video, I will give you the sigma notation formula and I will do one exercise using two of those formulas. The exercise that I will do at the end of my video, just giving it to you, but we will do it after for I equal 1 to 25, 1/2 plus 5, 1 over 4 to the power of I, and that's it. That's the exercise that I will do at the end of that video. But now let's start with the formula for the sigma notation. Again, you don't need to prove those formula. All what you have to do is use them. The fourth formula is sum of I equal 1 to n of 1. This is equal 1 times n, which is equal to n. So if I have sum of I equal 1 to n of 5, it will become 5 times n, it is 5n. So, because here I have to add 1 or I have to add 5 n times, so it's 5 times n or 1 times n. The second formula is sum of I equal 1 to n of I, it's equal n plus 1 times n plus 1 divided by 2. And I want you to realize that this n that is here is the same n that is here. It's the same n that is here. So if I have sigma I equal 1 to 50, my n here become 50 and this one become 50 because this is 50. And this is true for all the formula that I will give you now. So if I have sum of my third formula, I equal 1 to n of I square, this is equal n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And my fourth formula, sum I equal 1 to n of I cube, it is equal n square times n plus 1 square divided by 4. My fifth formula, sum I equal 1 to n of I to the power of 4, it is equal n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. If you realize it is this, but I have to add to it 3n squared plus 3n minus 1, and all that is divided by 30. My sixth formula, in all I have 8. I will give you 8. There is more, but those are the mostly used. So I equal 1 to n of 2i. This is equal n times n plus 1. And formula number 7, I equal 1 to n of 2i plus 1. This is equal to n squared. And the last formula that I will be using solving my problem in this video, I equal 1 to n of r to the power of I. This is equal r to the power n plus 1 minus r divided by r minus 1. And again, the n that is here is the same n that is here. So if I have I equal 1 to 5, it becomes 5 plus 1 on the other side. So let's start with the problem. The problem that I will be solving is the sum I equal 1 to 25 of 1/2 plus 5 times 1 over 4 to the power of I. And because I have a plus, if I have a plus or minus here on that field here, I can divide my sum into two different sums. If I have a multiplication or a division here, I cannot do that. So only if I have plus or minus, I am able to divide my sum into two different sums. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite it. It was plus 5 times 1 over 4. So this, I can write it, it is equal to the sum I equal 1 to 25 of 1/2 plus the sum of I equal 1 to 25 of 5 1 over 4 to the power of I. So if I take the first one, I have a formula, the formula number 1, which is here, that formula. The sum of I equal 1 to n of 5 is 5 times n. I have 1/2. It become 1/2 times 25, because in that case my n is equal to 25. So the first one here, it become 1 over 2 times 25, which is equal to 12.5. Plus, now I want to work with this. Since there is no I in my 5, so if I change the 1/4 change, the 5 always remain the 5, I can take it outside my sigma notation. So I have I equal 1 to 25, 1 over 4 to the power of I. And here I want to apply this formula here. So 25 divided by 2 is 12.5 plus 5, and I open my parentheses. It is R, in that case my R is 1/4. It's 1 over 4 to the power of, my n is 25. So 25 plus 1 is 26, minus the R, which is 1 over 4, divided by 1 over 4 minus 1. Then become algebraic calculation. You do 0.25. 1 over 4 is 0.25 to the power of 26 minus 0.25 multiplied by 5 divided by 0.25 minus 1, which is minus 0.75, and then you plug in the answer here. You add it to 12.5 and you have your final answer. So you see, if you have your formula, you don't have to do it 25 times and add it and subtract it, whatever. You apply the formula and you have the final answer in 2 steps actually, and the third step is the calculation. It's nothing. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, leave a comment. That will help me enhance my videos and do other video for you. And it will help. I will get paid by YouTube actually. It's gonna be fine for you, because you will have more videos. If I get paid, I will do more. Thank you.